Welcome to USA English Conversation.
What is your name?
My name is Lucy.
What is your name?
My name is Lucy.
Where are you from?
I am from Madrid, Spain.
Where are you from?
I am from Madrid, Spain.
What is your job?
I work as sales manager.
What is your job?
I work as sales manager.
Do you like job?
Yes, I like my job.
Do you like job?
Yes, I like my job.
What time you wake?
I wake up at 7.
What time you wake?
I wake up at 7.
What you do morning?
I drink tea every morning.
What you do morning?
I drink tea every morning.
Do you eat breakfast?
Yes, I eat breakfast daily.
Do you eat breakfast?
Yes, I eat breakfast daily.
What food you like?
I like rice and curry.
What food you like?
I like rice and curry.
Do you cook at home?
Yes, I cook at home.
Do you cook at home?
Yes, I cook at home.
What drink you like?
I like fresh apple juice.
What drink you like?
I like fresh apple juice.
Do you like winter?
No, I like warm weather.
Do you like winter?
No, I like warm weather.
What season you love?
I love autumn season most.
What season you love?
I love autumn season most.
Do you like rain?
Yes, I like light rain.
Do you like rain?
Yes, I like light rain.
What you do evening?
I read books every evening.
What you do evening?
I read books every evening.
Do you like movies?
Yes, I enjoy watching movies.
Do you like movies?
Yes, I enjoy watching movies.
What movies you like?
I like horror movies most.
What movies you like?
I like horror movies most.
Do you listen music?
Yes, I listen music daily.
Do you listen music?
Yes, I listen music daily.
What song you like?
I like calm, slow songs.
What song you like?
I like calm, slow songs.
Do you play games?
Yes, I play online games.
Do you play games?
Yes, I play online games.
What game you like?
I like strategy games most.
What game you like?
I like strategy games most.
Do you have friends?
Yes, I have many friends.
Do you have friends?
Yes, I have many friends.
Who is best friend?
My best friend is Ethan.
Who is best friend?
My best friend is Ethan.
Do you meet friends?
Yes, I meet them weekly.
Do you meet friends?
Yes, I meet them weekly.
What you do together?
We talk and share ideas.
What you do together?
We talk and share ideas.
Do you like traveling?
Yes, I love traveling abroad.
Do you like traveling?
Yes, I love traveling abroad.
Where you want go?
I want go to Canada.
Where you want go?
I want go to Canada.
Have you traveled before?
Yes, I traveled some countries.
Have you traveled before?
Yes, I traveled some countries.
Do you like journey?
Yes, I like long journeys.
Do you like journey?
Yes, I like long journeys.
What transport you use?
I use metro every day.
What transport you use?
I use metro every day.
Do you like metro?
Yes, it is very fast.
Do you like metro?
Yes, it is very fast.
What is your hobby?
My hobby is playing football.
What is your hobby?
My hobby is playing football.
Do you play daily?
Yes, I play every day.
Do you play daily?
Yes, I play every day.
What sport you like?
I like football game most.
What sport you like?
I like football game most.
What languages you speak?
I speak English and Korean.
What languages you speak?
I speak English and Korean.
Do you learn English?
Yes, I learn English daily.
Do you learn English?
Yes, I learn English daily.
Why English important today?
English connects people worldwide today.
Why English important today?
English connects people worldwide today.
Do you practice speaking?
Yes, I practice speaking daily.
Do you practice speaking?
Yes, I practice speaking daily.
What improves speaking skills?
Practice improves speaking skills fast.
What improves speaking skills?
Practice improves speaking skills fast.
Do you enjoy English?
Yes, I enjoy learning English.
Do you enjoy English?
Yes, I enjoy learning English.
What time you sleep?
I sleep at 11 daily.
What time you sleep?
I sleep at 11 daily.
Do you sleep early?
Yes, I sleep early daily.
Do you sleep early?
Yes, I sleep early daily.
What you do night?
I watch videos every night.
What you do night?
I watch videos every night.
Do you use phone?
Yes, I use phone often.
Do you use phone?
Yes, I use phone often.
What app you like?
I like Telegram at most.
What app you like?
I like Telegram at most.
Do you watch videos?
Yes, I watch videos daily.
Do you watch videos?
Yes, I watch videos daily.
What videos you watch?
I watch tech videos mostly.
What videos you watch?
I watch tech videos mostly.
Do you like internet?
Yes, I like using internet.
Do you like internet?
Yes, I like using internet.
What site you visit?
I visit learning websites daily.
What site you visit?
I visit learning websites daily.
Do you post online?
No, I post very rarely.
Do you post online?
No, I post very rarely.
What clothes you wear?
I wear casual clean clothes.
What clothes you wear?
I wear casual clean clothes.
Do you like jeans?
Yes, I like blue jeans.
Do you like jeans?
Yes, I like blue jeans.
What color you like?
I like green color most.
What color you like?
I like green color most.
Do you like shopping?
Yes, I like shopping outside.
Do you like shopping?
Yes, I like shopping outside.
Where you shop mostly?
I shop at big markets.
Where you shop mostly?
I shop at big markets.
Do you buy online?
Yes, I buy things online.
Do you buy online?
Yes, I buy things online.
What you buy online?
I buy gadgets and books.
What you buy online?
I buy gadgets and books.
Do you save money?
Yes, I save money monthly.
Do you save money?
Yes, I save money monthly.
Why saving money important?
Saving money helps future safety.
Why saving money important?
Saving money helps future safety.
Do you spend wisely?
Yes, I spend money wisely.
Do you spend wisely?
Yes, I spend money wisely.